I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Pinterest account has been compromised, follow these steps to recover it and secure your profile. Step 1. Go to the Pinterest login page. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Make sure that's the correct one, as this is where the password reset link will be sent. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Pinterest with a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as it may have been filtered there. Step 4. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will help protect your account from future hacks. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Pinterest account and keep it secure. Remember to regularly update your passwords and enable security features whenever possible. Good luck!